Known as the Young Devil, Elagabalus was the most disturbing Roman emperor. He was just a 14-year-old teenager when he took the throne and became a prime example of how too much power in a young boy's hand can be devastating. He used woman-like horses to pull his chariots and took pleasure in hearing them scream as he whipped them. Elagabalus dressed up as woman and prostituted himself in brothels. He even established a brothel within his palace for it. He appointed people to positions of power based on the size of their penis. Once he let snakes loose on the audience at the gladiator games just to watch how they panicked and fell victim to poisonous bites. He forced high-ranking nobles and senators to work as prostitutes in a street-like feature inside his palace called Whore's Lane. He performed inhuman torture on his female servants. He whipped and beat them, used sharp objects to cut out their flesh, poured boiling wax on their body, and pierced their body with needles. His foul deeds became so intolerable that his own grandmother ordered his assassination.